Hey, what's up, team? Cheryl told me to send out the screencast to everybody. Real quick, I'm just going to give you guys three quick tips on how you can actually start outranking your competition online, really drawing in that quality traffic that you're striving to get. So I got your website pulled up here. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. So really looking over your site here for a second. Really bringing up your authoric content, really being about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can actually layer other keywords of what you're actually trying to be found for as well, which I'll go over keywords in just a minute. Anyway, so really that's your first tip, bringing that content up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Also, these images, what they're saved as behind it all matters. You got air conditioning, installation, repair. You can put a little bit more buyer's intent keyword back there, like locations and as well, which I'll get into that in just a minute as well. So if I go inside of Google and actually just type in heater repair Tampa, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees, which is just another form paid advertisement. They came up with these because these old school traditional ads are supposedly spammy phone calls, so they came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those spams. It's just another form paid advertisement, which, some of these clicks, you just gone clicking on that, it's about $140 on some of these, so they can get very pricey if you are doing any ads. Underneath the ad section, you have this little map section. Really, to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So really what we would want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there, though. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map pack is really where all the organic traffic happens. This really comes down to with that authoric content on your website. How much detailed information that you're actually giving the general public. Plus what's called a backlink. What a backlink is it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I go inside your website here and take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Looks like you don't have really too much information going on. Looks like it's a newer site here. But kind of give me an idea of one of your competitors here is 1 Hour Air Conditioning and Heating. If I go inside of their Ahrefs, I just kind of do a quick overview here. So they got a 1.6 keywords they're actually being found for, which is pushing back 317 referring domains, which is, coming from those referring domains as those backlinks. They have a 2.2K backlinks. So in return, they're getting about 1,000 clicks to their website every month. Kind of seeing what a kind of traffic is coming from that 1,000 clicks. This is actually those clicks where they're coming from broken down. You got Tampa air conditioner. There's 150 clicks every single month. Second position there. So they're getting quite a bit of traffic out of that 150 clicks. Tampa air conditioning repair, another 200 clicks. Their second position, still getting another 25 clicks out of the 200. So their two keywords, they're getting over 50 clicks every single month. If we go in and find some good keywords, what would an extra 150 or 200 clicks, how much would that equate in sales for you? But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, would love a free custom game plan to help you get to where you're trying to go. I'd love to put that together for you, or at least tell me how I did on this video, or worst case scenario, apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much.